Greetings, YouTube. I'd like to go ahead and introduce the experimental camera that I have for the Bugs 3. You can see the place where I fly it right here across the street from the house. I've just taken some pictures. But furthermore, I wanted to wish that old country cracker a happy 33rd birthday. Happy birthday, country cracker. I hope you look at the pictures and kind of see some of my aerials I got for you. I want you to enjoy. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video here or there. Stay with it right to the very end. Happy birthday, country cracker. This is Silvertop Flyer signing out.